Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Valerine here. Now, if you are struggling with storage in your kitchen, especially for small items like your baking needs, like your baking soda, your cinnamon, baking powder, vanilla, all those goodies that you put in your baking, here is what to do. Go to the dollar store, get yourself a storage baskets. Now they are pretty cheap. So not only can you do it for your baking supplies, but you can do it for other things also. Get yourself storage basket. Put all your baking supplies in one storage basket. In that way, when you need to bake, you just pull the basket out and you have all your spices that you need in one basket. So try that. It will be great time saver for you. Get rid of some of the headache and get your job done faster. And when you're finished, you just open your cabinet and stick the whole thing back into your cabinet. That's it, and you're done. Now, if you like my videos, like the tips that I give for your home and your garden, the design lessons I teach from my sewing and design studio, please give this video a thumbs up. Tell somebody about my channel. I appreciate that a lot because it does help my channel to grow. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please don't forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified of new videos with tips and tricks for your home and your garden, and some of my Jamaican and Canadian recipes from my country kitchen. So you take care now and see you in the next video.